Today we are making chili beans. This dish is perfect for family cookouts and get-togethers, and it has none of the 12 bad foods in it. Coming up. Hey, howdy folks, Raquel Castillo-Olsey here with Happy Healthy People, helping you go farther and quicker in healing yourself naturally. And today we're making chili beans. I got this recipe from my sister, who would make this delicious dish whenever we had a family party or celebrated a holiday like the 4th of July. They were so good, the kids would put it on their hot dogs and make their own version of chili dogs. Now I know, I'm in Texas, and Texas chili has no beans. I would never violate that rule. But this isn't technically chili, so I can't get in trouble here. It's a wonderful dish that has no gluten, no oils, no nitrates, or any of the other 12 bad foods. Here's what you'll need. 2 29-ounce cans of plain pinto beans with salt. 1 pound of ground beef or chuck, the best quality you can get. Approximately 1 pound of chorizo. 1 tablespoon ground cumin. 1/4 cup of diced onion. 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. And salt and pepper to taste. For the chorizo, we recommend you get it fresh from the deli counter or buy the more natural-made chorizos like this brand. Most of the commercial brands are loaded with sodium nitrite, which, remember, when heated creates a chemical called nitrosamine, which is carcinogenic. They also just melt into a liquidy, gooey mess and are made with salivary glands and lymph nodes. And who wants to eat salivary glands and lymph nodes? Blech! Start by browning the ground beef with the onion, garlic, salt, and pepper. After the ground beef is cooked, drain it and set it aside. Next, cook the chorizo. I don't cook this with onion, but you can if you wish. Remove any excess grease. Now take a large pot and add all the ingredients. The beans with the broth, the ground beef, the chorizo, and the cumin. Stir well and bring everything to a medium boil. Once it comes to a boil, lower the temperature to a low simmer. Allow them to simmer for at least 30 minutes so all the flavors can mingle. After the half hour, they're done. You can enjoy the chili beans as is or as a side dish with cheese and onion or any of your favorite toppings. They make a great complement to any barbecue or cookout. They have lots of protein and fiber, and most important, they're gluten-free. Folks, if you're looking for a simple program that helps you avoid the 12 bad foods and puts you on the path to better your health, it's all available over at happyhealthypeople.net. And if you found the video helpful, leave your comments and thumbs up below. Let us know what you want us to cover or cook next. We'll do that for you in the days and weeks ahead. And if you haven't done it already, please make sure you click the subscribe and turn on the notifications so you never miss a new video when we put one out. So thanks for checking out this video. Definitely subscribe for more videos just like this. Until next time, Happy Healthy People is helping you go farther and quicker in healing yourself naturally. Keep moving forward, and we'll talk soon.